Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm the client coach at Atticus Family Law. Welcome to video number 2 in this 5-part series about the 5 styles of dealing with conflict. In the first video, I talked about avoiding conflict and sweeping it under the rug, pretending that conflict is not there. Let's dive into the second style of dealing with conflict. So we see that avoiding the conflict does not give a benefit to the relationship, nor does it give a benefit to me or the individual. Today, I want to talk about accommodating the other person. And you can see that accommodate is very high up on the scale here in the benefits to the relationship. Accommodating means simply giving the other person what they want. Now, there can be a little bit of ego here because it can feel like giving in or giving up, and that can be painful and difficult for a lot of people. This is where you admit that you might have been at fault, and you might choose this because continuing the conflict is more damaging to the relationship than if you just go ahead and accommodate the other person. This is something that you would do to build and strengthen a relationship. And a lot of times when relationships are new, people are more likely to accommodate the other person because they want to invest in that relationship, because they want to build and nurture that connection with the other person. We see this when people start new jobs and somebody gives them a new task to do, and they're very eager to go ahead and do it because they want to make a good impression. Now, over time, just like any of these conflict styles, this can be damaging. In the beginning and on an individual case-by-case basis, accommodating the other person can be a big benefit to the relationship. It can help them feel good. It can even help you feel good a little bit too because you are prizing that relationship. But over time, if you find yourself continuously accommodating, that can be bad. There's definitely some drawbacks there. You might start feeling like you're not heard, you're not being respected, you never get your way. And there can be a lot of resentment that builds as a result of that. So it's important to understand, once again, how these different conflict styles can benefit a situation and when you might want to use them versus when it's more appropriate to use a different style of dealing with the conflict. So once again, this is the accommodating of the conflict where you are benefiting that other person, you're benefiting that relationship, but not so much benefit to you. I hope this helps. Like, follow, and share and follow along for parts 3 through 5. We will talk about the other conflict styles. Thanks so much for watching.